Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful shirt gown. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started. So guys, to start off, this is my back pattern. So I'm just trying to show you how I achieve my basic bodies here. So this is the back, is on fold definitely. So I'll be placing the shoulder, the half of the shoulder, which is 7.5, the neck, which is 2.5, and I'll be going down by 1 inches, and I'll be making a curve using my free hand. So the next thing I'll be doing is to place my vertical measurement, which is 8. That is the chest line, the bust point is 10, the waist is 16, and from 16 to 9 inches is my hip line, and I'll be drawing a straight line across those points. Yeah, so I'll know where to place my measurements. So guys, next thing I'll do is just to connect it like that. I'll make a normal basic body. So I'm placing the bust measurement, which is I think 9.5, and I'll be placing the 2.5 inches for the allowance. This is a free gown kind of, so I'm not going to add that to it, and I'm just placing my waist measurement plus 2 inches, my hip measurements plus 2 inches, and that's basically what I'll be doing. So I'm just connecting it like that with my free hand. If you want to use your curve, you can try to do that. For me, I just said that this video I'm using my free hand. So here, this is the gown. Like I said, it's a gown. So from the hip, from the waistline, I'm going down to 19 inches, and on that 19 inches, whatever I have on the on my hip, I'm going to remove 1 inches to 1.5 inches from it, and I'm going to place it, and that's what I do to form that pencil, like to give it a shape. So guys, as you can see, I'm done here. So this is the front part, and I already do whatever I did for the back to the front, and I added 2.5 inches extra to the front because of the the button holes. I just give that extra inches. So here guys, this is where the work starts. This is it because it is actually together with the sleeve, so it's not like I put the sleeve separate. So I'm going down by 2 inches like so, and I'll be connecting it to my neckline to form a new slope. So what I mentioned was 9 inches. I want my sleeve to be like around 9 inches long, so I'll just place it like so, and you can see it's 9 inches from the shoulder line that I drew earlier to that very point, and I'm going down by 10 inches. Actually guys, I actually put 9 inches before. I was contemplating what should I usually should it be very big or very small or medium, so I decided to use 10 inches later on. And what I'll be doing is to connect it. I'll be connecting the 10 inches to the waistline. So yeah, to cut out my neckline, I'll have to fold in that 2.5 inches, and I'll cut it like so. So guys, here I'm just connecting it to the waistline, because when I check this style, I noticed that it's kind of free at the bust area, so it's connected to the waistline. So guys, for the neckline for the front, I actually use 2.5 by 2.5, like 2.5 by 2.5. That's what I use. So here I'm just cutting it out. Don't forget, for the shoulder slope I went down by 2 inches. The wideness of my sleeve is 10 inches, and I connected down to the waistline, and basically that's what I did. And don't forget to add your 2.5 inches to the front because of the button holes and button panel anyhow. So guys, here I'm just cutting it out. So ensure that you just cut it out the way it's supposed to be, guys. So guys, if you have not turned your notification, please do so. Turn on your notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video, guys. Please guys, support your girl. And I noticed that a lot of you haven't been subscribing. When I check my statistics, it's basically like 3% just subscribe, and you have 99%, 97% have not subscribed. So guys, please, the moment you're watching this video, click on your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. So guys, that is it. So basically what I'm just doing is to cut out my shirt gown like that. I'm just cutting it out. As you can see, it's looking all good. And if you notice, this particular one It's not as if the shoulder line is coming to the front, because this particular one is together with the sleeve. As you can see, it's together with the sleeve, so you don't need to do that, shirts vibe of coming down by 1 inches to the front and stuff like that. So this is so simple to make, and I'm just like, I slash open the front, yeah, because it will be two separate panel. So guys, this is the back that I showed earlier, and as you can see, I'm going out by 9 inches, just the way I did for the front. I'm going down by 2 inches as well here, just exactly what I did to the front, and I'll be connecting it to the neckline to form a new slope. So some people actually use it straight like that. For me, I prefer it that for this particular style, I feel like having a slope make it look better. So as you can see, I go down by 10 inches and I'm connecting it to the waistline, but I want to use my front to make sure that the way I curve it is actually the same thing with the front. So I'm arranging it like that just to be sure of what I'm doing. As you can see, and I'm just connecting, and I'll just be connecting it to my sleeve like that. So the next thing I'll just be doing is just to cut it out, guys. Just to cut it out. You might say you want your own to be, fitted and all that. You had your what's it called that? You make the pencil where you shape your gown. You make it like you remove 2 inches from your hip. It's totally fine. For me, this is what the client wants, so that's what I'm going for. Sorry for that background side. As you can see how it's looking all beautiful, guys. I love it. So guys, basically that is all with the drafting of the style. As you can see, don't forget your back is on fold and your front is actually like open. So to start off with the sewing, I will just be like the 2.5 inches I kept in the front, I'll fold in 1/2 inch like that, like the way I'm demonstrating on the camera, and I'll be folding whatever I'm having into 2, so it will give us like 1 inches wide of like the button space or lapel, anyhow, I don't know the name. Panel, let me just do panel, yeah, the button panel. So guys, that's what I'll do off camera. And this year I'm just trying to cut out the fold. It's like a band for the sleeve. That's what I'm just trying to mark out here. I'll just be cutting it by, I want it to have, I think, 2 inches wideness of the from the band. So the band is 2 inches wide, so I'm going to cut out I think 2.5 inches, so that I would in by 1/2 inches to get my 2 inches. So this is it, guys. I've already like make a stitch, run it for the both sides of the front. So what next you'll be doing is that you just cut out the excess fabric on top. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just cutting it out, and the next thing you'll be doing is to join the shoulder to the back, join the shoulder, the front and the back shoulder together. Yeah. And what else? The next thing you'll be doing after you join your shoulder is to measure the neckline. I think I did not actually show it here. I think I did off camera. My camera was not recording that part. I don't really know what happened because I couldn't find the video. So guys, after that, what I got was 18.2 or so. So here I'm folding my the gum stay into 2 like this, and I'll be placing half of 80.2, that is 9.1. So the total space is 9.1. As you can see, I'm just going up by 1/2 inch, and I'll be going up by 1 inch from there. Like, I hope you understand what I did here. I actually cut my sleeve into half, and I'm connecting it together like so. I have a separate video on how I explain everything about hair color, but I just decided to show it here in this video again. So I'm just placing it again to make sure that it is 9.1. You don't want to make any mistake. You don't want to add, you don't want to subtract, because if you do so, it will not be, it will not be okay. So I'm going in by 1/2 inch here, and I'll just do freehand my curve just to make that curve edge. Yeah. So the next thing I'll be doing is to place another straight line. This is my collar stand. Now I want to cut out my collar. So for the collar, it will be 2.5 inches, like so, because after holding it in, it will be around 2 inches. So this 2.5 inches, and I'm placing that particular 9.1 again here. So guys, basically that's what I'm doing. I'm placing my 9.1 and I'll be making a straight line like that. So guys, you decide where you want to be your up and down. So basically you can just use the method I'm using here. So I'll just go in by 1 inches and I'll be making a straight line to form that, that slant collar. And basically what I'll be doing next is to go in by half of an inch towards the middle to the quarter of it, like 4.5. So I'll be connecting to that 4.5 side like that, just to make a slope. Our neckline is not straight, so that's what I'm just achieving here. That's what I'm trying to achieve. Yes. So the next thing I'll do is to just cut it out, ensure that it's not having a sharp end or anything, and that's what I'll be doing. So guys, I'm just cutting it out like that, making sure that there's no sharp end. So guys, the next thing you'll be doing is to put your shiny part of your stay on your fabric like that, ensuring that there's at least like half of an inch spaces, because you'll be cutting out half of an inch. So I'm going to iron it out, and I'll be cutting out two of whatever I cut out with this stay. You understand what I'm saying? So this is it guys. I've already cut it out. I cut out the one with stay and the one without stay, and I just fold in the one with stay. For the collar stand, I just fold it in with half of an inch because I'm using it later. So for the collar, you'll be placing the right sides facing each other, and you go to your machine and stitch the half of an inch you put all through, and you turn it out. So basically that's what I'll be doing now. So guys, after doing that, you ensure that you place the collar stand with the one with stay together with the one with stay, the one without stay together with the one without stay. You ensure you put it at the middle. Maybe you notch it or anyhow you want to do it. Just ensure that it's equal both sides, and you'll be placing it like that. And you take it to your machine and you stitch it like the way I'm using my hand to describe, like that. And basically your collar is ready. So you take your fabric, you notch the center. After notching the center, you notch the center of the collar as well. You'll be placing the one without stay together like so. You can see the way I'm placing it, and you stitch it all around. You notice that it fits perfectly. So after stitching it all around, this is what you'll be having. Okay, see the parts I fold in earlier, I'll just use it to cover up the whatever excess is there, and I'll make a top stitch like so. I just top stitch it all around to secure it and make it very neat. As you can see, this is looking so beautiful and so neat, and I'm so happy with what I'm having here. So the next thing I'll be doing is to place my band that I cut earlier. So I'll be stitching it to the both side, both side, left and right. And you can see I'm slashing it open because it's together with the other side. So here I'm just cutting it out, and I'll be folding it in, and I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it in with half of an inch like so. So after that, actually this particular style have a belt, so I've already sewed that one. I'm sorry I didn't actually show you how I cut it. So here I've already stitched it down, and what I'll be doing is that I'll open my fabric like so. I'll put from the shoulder, the neckline, the starting of the neckline, I'll be going down by 16 inches, and I'll just be placing that 16 inches. I'll be pinning my belt to it like that, so that I will secure it in case when I want to sew it, it will not be shifting around. I will do exactly the same thing for the right side as well. I'll just pin it to 16 inches, that is around the waistline. So the next thing I'll be doing is to take it to my sewing machine, and I'll sew the both side, hem the downside, and we are done with our shirt. The next thing is to just fix your button and create your buttonholes anyhow you want anyhow you want it rather. Anyhow you want it, and your shirt is done. So this is it, how it's looking so beautiful and nice. Oh my god, I really love it. In fact, when my model wore it, it's actually looking so beautiful on her. I love how it come out, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Oh my god, guys, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you, bye.